Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to reuse a job posting on Upwork. So this is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you recently hired someone, but then you want to hire a similar job. How do you actually reuse a job posting so that you don't have to retype everything back in when you post a new job? Now there's two ways you can go about doing this, guys. I'm going to show you both these ways, but either way, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but the first thing that you can do is that you could actually right click an existing or previous job post and then click on these three dots over here and then click on reuse posting. So once you click on reuse posting, a new job posting is going to appear in which you just need to finalize the job post so that you can actually post it that way. Now, the second way to actually reuse a job post is by clicking on this post a job button on the top. And then here you just click on the long-term project. And then you could also click on I want to rework a previous job post. So if you click on this toggle button here and click on the toggle button again, you're going to see all of your different job posts that you've posted previously so that you can just reuse that job post again. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and reuse a job post on Upwork. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.